In this video, we're going to show you how Opus can securely automate a network operation against the Infoblox DDI appliance. And this example is all about creating an A record. When the operator starts the task, they can see some help text, and this text shows them the bits of information they need to provide along the way. The first thing that happens is Opus makes a connection through the API proxy to HashiCorp Vault to reveal the secrets and access details for Infoblox, separating the operator from those privileged credentials. The first thing the operator needs to do is choose a DNS zone. They can choose the DNS view from a predefined list that's filtered based on results from Infoblox and a combination of PXM platform profile memberships and Active Directory group memberships. When they've chosen the view, they can see relevant zones again in a drop down, and these values are pre-filtered based on permissions again. When typing in a record name, Opus is going to check for uniqueness against the Infoblox appliance, and if a name already exists, it will report back and tell you, and you can interact with the task mid-flight to correct the mistake. I'm also prompted to provide a comment along with the record. At this point, Opus is connected to Infoblox again, and it's fetched the mandatory extensible attributes from Infoblox that are applicable to an A record. I have to provide these details, otherwise the task can't continue, and this is a really valuable way of ensuring that your data is consistent across the DDI appliance. Data center is a string. It's fetched that value type from Infoblox, so this is just going to be a text input. Created by is an email address. If I put in something that's not an email, Opus won't allow that. The input's all validated, so I have to put in a valid email address. Team is a string, so that's also free text input. All of the data I've provided is valid, and I can now review the new record details in a table and choose to either discard and start again if I've noticed a mistake, or I can go ahead and create the record, at which point Opus will make that connection to Infoblox and perform that privileged operation for me. Task succeeded and the record's been created. In this video, you've seen a prescribed example of a task that came in from the field. In reality, we know that every organisation uses slightly different applications and business processes look different everywhere you go. But if you've seen anything in this video that makes you think you'd like to experience the benefits of Opus, please get in touch.